কেন চেয়ে আছো গো মা মুখ পানে, কেন চেয়ে আছো গো মা? এরা চাহে না তোমারে, চাহে না যে
I would like to thank Federation of Film Societies Kerala to allow me to pay tribute to one of the gigantic figures of Indian cinema, Soumitra Chatterjee, in their platform. I have recently written a small piece on him, which I am going to read out to you. The 50s down 70s is often considered as the golden era of Bengali cinema. With the famous trio Ray, Ghatak, and Mrinal Sen are in full swing, Bengali culture quite successfully and diligently carried forward the nascent favor of Bengal Renaissance for a long time to come. In an age of complete decadence, the void created by these giant figures of quintessential Bengali heritage remains unattainable. Soumitra Chatterjee, the name every Bengali reckon with, is no more with us, and that unfortunately adds up to the number of departed legends. The quintessential Bengali Bhadralok, which means gentleman, one of the finest actors Bengal has ever produced, truly like his eminent predecessors, starting from Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Roy, Swami Vivekananda, Pandit Ravi Shankar, acted as a bridge between the local regional with the universal context of global cinema, a rarity of the present day. I would like to quote Chidananda Dasgupta here. He once commented, Ray has found his man in Soumitra Chatterjee. So very true. Often considered as a muse of Ray, Soumitra truly represented the finesse of Bengali intelligentsia and Bengali culture. The debate of Uttam Kumar the superstar versus Soumitra Chatterjee the actor defined the eternal cultural conflict of the community. He was the face of urban middle class, intelligentsia, and their earnestness. The characters immortalized by him are Opu in Ray's Opu Sangshar, The World of Opu, 1959, the canonical sleuth Feluda in Ray's Joy Baba Felunath, The Elephant God, 1978, and Sonar Kella, The Golden Fortress, 1971, and 12 other feature films. Although mostly remembered for his finest performances under Ray's authorship, he is often eulogized as the epitome of the Shov urban youth, the alternative hero in Mrinal Sen's Akash Kusum, Up in the Clouds, 1965, Ajay Kar Shat Pake Badha with another legend Suchitra Sen, 1963, as deviant youth in Tin Bhubaner Pare with Tanuja, in a hilarious comedy Baksho Bodol with Aparna Sen, again with Aparna Sen, Boshanto Bilap, 1973, Torun Mojumdar's Ganodevota, 1978, Sangshar Shimante, 1975, and Tapon Sinha's Jhinder Bondi in a villainous role. These are the commercial popular I was talking about, and he was also known for his versatility as a stupendous performer. Even in otherwise stagnant 80s, he left in mark as an extraordinary character, Khidda, a swimming coach, with a prodigious performance in Saroj De's film Koni, 1984, which kept on lifting our dying spirit even today. Later, he performed brilliantly in Rituparna Ghosh's Ashok, Illness, 1999, Aparna Sen's Paramitar Ekdin, One Day of Paramitas, 2000, Gautam Ghosh's Dekha, 2001, Anjan Das's Sajbati Rupkatha, 2001, Shekhar Das's Krantikal, 2006, Shuman Ghosh's Padokhep, for which he got the National Award in 2007, Long Due, Boshu Poribar, The Bosch Family, and finally in Atanu Ghosh's Rupkatha Noy 2013 and Moyurakhi in 2017. His effervescent presence simply uplifted numerous potboilers, otherwise negligible in its aesthetic form and content. His nuances, sensitive portrayal of myriad human characters had charmed audiences all over the world for decades. Not only a prolific actor, also he is emblematic of Bengal's alignment towards literature and other finer issues of life. He is gigantic in the theatre world also. His live performances in Tik Tiki, Homa Pakhi, and Shuman Mukhopadhyay's King Lear is historical. His recitation is ephemeral. He has also penned down 12 books on poetry. He edited a famous little magazine called Ekhon for quite a long time. His global recognition is also aplenty. In 1999, he was awarded by the French government, followed by the highest civilian honor by the same government. In 2019, Legion of Honor, Padma Bhushan in 2004, Sangit Natok Academy in 1988, and Dadasaheb Phalke for his lifetime achievement in cinema in 2013. Interesting to note, he had to wait more than 2 decades for the national award in the role of a best actor. So unfortunate. Soumitra Chatterjee, in one word, symbolized Bengali middle class's trajectory as a community and their agony, joy, pathos, crisis, and despair over 3 decades. Kolkata's cultural legacy and heritage is in eternal loss without him. And I would like to believe that all the cinephils all over the globe are mourning his sad demise. Thank you.